MindBio Therapeutics is a company that's pursuing research and clinical drug development for a novel treatment for depression. And what we're finding with our microdosing studies is that this drug can be taken in much the same way any other antidepressant can be taken at home, and then a person can then get on with their day. And that's really important because what our thesis, our investment thesis, and our scientific thesis are kind of very well aligned. We've always thought that the most scalable take-home use case of a psychedelic medicine is small dosing, microdosing. And what we see in microdosing is we still see the same effects. We see neurogenesis in the brain, which is the creation of new dendrites and the formation of new neural connections. This is a very, very powerful aspect of the kind of neuropsychiatry that surrounds these medicines. And it's very exciting what we're seeing in this drug development and clinical trials process. The results we've seen to date have been exceptional. What we've seen in healthy individuals, statistically significant improvements in a person's mood, in the way they feel, their general feeling of well-being. They have more energy, they feel more creative, and they feel an increased sense of social bonding. And what this tells us is that this medicine is targeting the precise features of mood to affect people when they're depressed. We see low energy, we see low motivation, low resilience, low feelings of well-being, and reduced feelings of well-being. And we're very excited about the results that have stemmed from our phase 2A depression trials. This is an open label trial. So we've taken those phase 1 results and we've kind of augmented our research into depressed individuals. And the results were outstanding. 6 months post an 8-week treatment cycle, we saw a 72% reduction, sustained antidepressant response, a 72% reduction in depressive symptoms. And that's extraordinary. And so what we're doing now is we're in the completion stages of 2 phase 2B clinical trials. One's a trial in depressed patients and another trial in cancer patients. And what we hope to see is a continuation of these signals that really target the sort of the depressive symptoms of patients. And what's really exciting is that we've dosed thousands of people now in take-home clinical trials. We're the only company in the world that's been able to do this, and it's very exciting because it really puts us at the front of the curve when it comes to using psychedelic medicines in a scalable, accessible, and affordable manner. And we're very excited by also the data that we've collected. We've collected a massive amount of data across all of our clinical trials over many, many years. And what our data allows us to do is to create a protective intellectual property moat around this microdosing drug. This drug we've named MB22001, which is a microdose form of lysergic acid diethylamide. And the data allows us to prescribe the drug. It enables us to identify patients that are likely responders, and it allows us to titrate the quantity of the drug that we give to patients. And so this is really powerful. We're very excited about this, and obviously this is the inflection point for the company. The real answer is we don't really know what's going to happen. We need to see a really significant signal beyond the placebo response. We want to see a good delta, and that will certainly give us the confidence to move towards phase 3 clinical trials.